Hello everyone, it's today. So in this video, I will give you an introduction of the Tibetan language pronunciation. So right, let's get started. So if you are an English speaker, I want to clarify in three different sounds. So there are three different sounds in this language that you need to remember. Well, I am categorizing them as three different sounds. So if you remember the sounds, when you try to learn the alphabet, it's going to be very easy for you all. So the first sound is ah, and for some English speakers, you may pronounce it like ah, but no, it's not like that. It's ah. Just open your mouth and say ah. And the second sound is ha. Ha, 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 when you laugh. Ha, 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 ha. That is how you say ha. And the third sound is a bit complicated, but I will explain it. So the third sound is ah. So you need to pronounce the ah sound ah, like the exclamation sound when you make whoa, oh wow. So you need to pronounce it like ah, ah. That's the low tone. So there are three different sounds you need to remember. So please remember these three sounds. And in the next future lessons, we will talk about alphabet and pronunciation. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you later in the next video.